One stock getting the thumbs up from analysts at JPMorgan is General Electric, and shares are soaring on the news. Let's go now to Laura Lee with more detail. Laura?
Well, Lori, GE investors certainly have reason to smile today. The stock is up almost 5%, up for a third straight session, the most since July, also contributing the most to the gains in industrial stocks today. So what's the story here? Well, analysts over at JPMorgan Chase upgraded GE shares to overweight from neutral, saying GE may be the last of the so-called low expectation plays. Now, analyst Stephen Tusa says GE may benefit from higher free cash flow in its industrial units as well as asset sales from its finance arm, and that could be enough to eliminate the need to raise more capital. Now, remember, concerns about GE's troubled finance unit have really weighed down the stock this year, with shares down about 10% year to date. But I do want to point out that shares have more than doubled from the March low. Lori.
So, Laura, what is JPMorgan saying that the price can top out at?
Well, this is interesting. On top of the upgrade, analysts over at JPMorgan raised their year-end price target on GE shares to $17 from $12. And as the economy recovers, analysts say GE shares could climb, get this, to $20 in the best case scenario. That would be about a 37% gain from here. But remember, we're still talking about a stock that was trading at $60 a share back in 2000. Back over to you.
Thanks, Laura.